Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. I'm fine. I am good. I am good. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes. Yes. No. No. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? My name is Ryan. My name is Ryan. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. I am a student. I'm a student. I am a teacher. I'm a teacher. I live in Chelsea. I live in Chelsea. I like coffee. I like coffee. I like tea. I like tea. I don't understand. I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Can you help me? Can you help me? What is this? What is this? This is a book. This is a book. That is a car. That is a car. I want water. I want water. I need help. I need help. Come here. Come here. Go there. Go there. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Brazil. I am from Brazil. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Campinas. I live in Tampines. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? A little. A little. I am learning English. I am learning English. I understand. I understand. I don't know. I don't know. What time is it? What time is it? It is 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. See you later. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Take care. Take care. What do you do? What do you do? I work in an office.
I work in an office.
I study English every day. I study English every day. I like to read. I like to read. I like to travel. I like to travel. I wake up early. I wake up early. I go to work. I go to work. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I drink water. I'm tired. I am tired. I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. I'm busy. I am busy. I am free. I am free. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am working. I am working. I am studying. I am studying. I am eating. I am eating. I am watching TV. I am watching TV. I am going out. I am going out. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yes, I like it. Yes, I like it. No, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. It is very good. It is very good. It is bad. It is bad. It is easy. It is easy. It is difficult. It is difficult. How is everything? How is everything? Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm okay. I'm okay. Long time no see. Long time no see. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome back. Welcome back. Good to see you. Good to see you. What's your nickname? What's your nickname? Call me. Call me. That's my name. That's my name. This is my friend. This is my friend. He is my friend. He is my friend. She is my friend. She is my friend. We are friends. We are friends. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you again. What is your job? What is your job? I am a doctor. I am a doctor. I am an engineer. I am an engineer. I work online. I work online. I work from home. I work from home.
I am unemployed.
I am unemployed.
I am looking for a job.
I am looking for a job. I am married. I am married.
I am single.
I am single.
I have children.
I have children.